increasingly accelerated virus appearance cycle. Pandemic shock, an era that threatens not only the lives of individuals, but also the social economy. Only high technology can protect you. COVID-19 fever screening system, Thermoeye. Thermoeye with face detection and screening technology very accurately measures the temperature of a person and identifies infected people. Interlinking infrared and visible light camera. Temperature analysis for specific areas that can be set up as desired. Ultra-precision facial detection. Automatic image recording and storage upon discovery. All possible with video analysis algorithms developed by Thermoeye. Ultra-precision facial detection, fever image display and sound alarm, automatic save and storage of fever photos and videos, data statistics and reports by AI. Advanced technology that protects the present and future of our world. COVID-19 fever screening system, Thermoeye.